Kawai na kilat ban pen sngau thu ya ki Samla pule halor ki jingma ki bami na ka jing pendan kam ya udrok bat ki we ki jing di pen buan ka Ophis u district sports officer DSO ribhoi ha ka jing Trelang bat ka district social welfare office ribhoi district menta ka singi kala Pynlong ya ka jing le kai basketball ya kani ka jing le kai la Pynlong hamadan le kai jong ka Alpha English High Secondary School Nongpoh kumshi banta jong ka jing rakhe ka National Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking ban ay ka Khubor persha ya ka jing pendan kam bakla ya ki jing di penbuan hakani ka singi lawan ban sakhi lang ya ka jing le kai do ba GLC Malim Assistant Commissioner ribhoi rengkat ka kong NF Sun District Social Welfare Officer uba Bobby L Nongbet DSO ribhoi ka kong Nafi Marwen Vice President ka Meghalaya Basketball Association lambat kiwe ha ka jing le kai basketball la sakhi ya ka jing khun ka ba itnat ha padeng ka kunhun jong ka ribhoi college persha ka ribhoi district basketball association ka jing khun kala long ka ba itnat bha hre ha ka bakut ka ribhoi district basketball association kala la aban khor ya ka jing job da ka ba penli mi ka ribhoi college da arpusaw la khatsan basket kum kadak jong ka jing aiman si mi kinong ele kai na kalyang kinong penyat kila sam mi ki khusnam bar ki trophy shabaro artli ki kunhun bala shimbanta ha kani ka jing ele kai basketball
and every effort you made on this court shows how much the positive energy you have towards sports. Remember, you are the young future. The youths are the future of our generation today. So as a youth player, you should remember that you should not get involved in all these bad things that relates with this world today. I as a youth leader, I as a sports person, I would like to wish each and every one of you a successful life and a successful journey in your everyday life. Remember, you are a player. Each team has a player and you have to play with discipline. You have to play with unity and teamwork. Every team has a teamwork. Teamwork works. Remember, you have to put this discipline over distraction, dreams over drugs. So I congratulate all the organizers, the officials, the school, and especially to each and every one of you from Ribhoi College and from the Ribhoi District Meghalaya Basketball Association. A very good success in your future, and thank you once again for this beautiful event organized by the District Sports Office in collaboration with the Ribhoi District Meghalaya Basketball Association and the District Social Welfare Office in aid of drug abuse and illicit trafficking. Thank you so much.
Every player for taking part in this program. The fact that you're part of this today and you're not spending your time elsewhere shows your dedication, your discipline, and even with regards to the rains, you've been here, you've taken part in the program. Thank you so much for that, and it shows that you're already one step ahead on the right track. I'd like to congratulate the DSO for organizing such a successful program today. But as we end this program today, we should not forget why we're here as well. All of you may not turn out to be NBA basketball players. All of you may not represent the state. However, the qualities you've learned from the sport that you love playing, I hope you inculcate these qualities, these characteristics in your daily life. For instance, the fact that you're playing basketball today shows your long-term thinking. Drugs may give you short-term pleasure, but it affects you harmfully in the long term. And I do not want to elaborate too much on that because you already know about the harmful effects of drugs. However, I want to urge all the young students, all the young players out here to kindly do not give up sports, but in fact build your discipline, your character should be built through sports, and always take up sports even when you can't play at a professional level. Always remember about the important qualities of sports because it translates into other areas of your life. So I hope you keep that in mind. This is a very short speech from my end. Once again, thank you. Thank you again to the District Sports Office, and also thank you to all the players that have taken part, and also to Alpha, to the school authorities of Alpha for giving us this lovely court for hosting us in this beautiful game today. I'd like to thank them as well. So I hope we all carry the values of our sports and also always say no to drugs. Thank you.
All the players in a line